have to edit your gender, age accordingly. Then you have to click your photos. The photos guideline has also been shared in the group. Go through that once, and you'll have to click the photo as mentioned in that, like with white shirt for girls, white shirt, tied hair and gray background, and for boys, white shirt with blue tie and similar background. So this should be your email ID. The Kumba email ID that we were supposed to create. Okay, and then you have to hyperlink the email ID. Here you have to write your phone number. Here you have to write your LinkedIn ID, and you have to hyperlink all these three things. And the steps in the process to hyperlink has been provided in the guidelines. Then you have to edit your
Sorry to interrupt, Kritika, but I just want to make sure, is everyone able to see the resume screen or the Google Meet screen?
only
Because I'm
the resume. Oh, you're not
only able to see the Google Meet screen.
Yeah. Okay, wait. Is it visible now?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. So here you, like in this you have to edit. You have to write it 23 to 25 academic year. Here you have to write your name. Then here you have to write edit your gender and age. This is the email ID, phone number and LinkedIn profile. You have to add your own, and then you have to hyperlink all the three things. The steps to hyperlink has been provided in the guidelines. Okay, here you have to write your specializations, major and minor. You can, if you have not a clear idea about what specialization you have to select, like write anything that you are currently thinking of. If you want, you can change it later on. Okay, so then here you have to paste your photo. The guidelines for the photos has also been provided in the group. Your girls are supposed to wear white shirt and neatly tied hair with grey background. For boys, similar background, white shirt and blue tie. Then here you have to write your education in chronological order. Your 10th, your 10th institute and your percentage. All the scores should be in percentage only, like your 10th score, 12th score and also graduation score. If you have been provided by the college in CGPA, then get the conversion factor and convert it into percentage. Here you have to write end date of your completion of the like 10th, 12th and graduation. If anybody has done PG, like any other post graduation course, they have to enter here, or you can delete the row. Then if you have done any internships or life projects, you have to add it here. You have to add your job title here, like for example if you were an intern, so you have to edit it there. Here you write the organization name, and here the from which month to which month you have done. Like if you have done from May of, let's say, 22 to August 22, so you'll write like this. Okay, you have to write 3 letters of each month, not more than that, and first letter should be capital. Here you will write total months, like here in all the internships or the life projects add up to like months. You have to write total months here. Then here you have to write the description or the responsibilities about the internship. Don't add many pointers in that, like try to keep only 2 points and add everything you want to in points are sufficient. Then here you have to add your academic and co-curriculum achievements. If you have done any certifications, you can add it here. You have to mention in which year you have done it. Your co-curricular, like co-curricular activities which you have done in college or graduation, like that, and your extracurricular. Here is the position of responsibilities. If you were part of any cell or committee during your graduation or any other committee like other than college, so you can add it here and you have to write some description about it. Here in others, languages, technical skills, soft skills, hobbies and interests. uh, like try to write things of which like about, like don't write anything. For example, like just to show, I'll write here about trekking, and if in the interview someone asks me about something about that, and if I'm not able to answer, then it won't look good, right? So write only the things that you are good at or you are really interested in. Then for the internships, certifications, co-curricular, extracurricular and position of responsibility, there are supposed to be some proof or the documents that can prove that you have really done that work. Like for the co-curriculars, extracurricular, there should be certificates. For position of responsibility, also there should be some documents to prove that you have really worked there. And also for the internships and the life projects. Other than that, like you can start editing, and if you come across any problem, all the guidelines have been provided in the PDF which was sent on the group. And other than that if you have any problem, you can contact me. So this one is for freshers. Now I'll present the other one for the work experience. Is the screen visible?
Yes.
Okay. So this is for the work experience one. All the changes or like template is almost similar. The education part, your personal information, photo, everything is same. Only one column of work experience has been added, and you have to write information like similar to the internships one. Here you have to write your position. Here you have to write your institute or the organization name. Here the duration. If you have done like work for with more than one or two companies, here you have to write total duration of like the total work experience you have only in months, not in years. Like if you have 2 years work experience, then you'll write 24 months. And here you have to write the description about the work. Try to write everything in only 2 points, and every bullet point should not exceed more than 2 lines, and rest all is same. I'll share my resume too for reference if anything is required. Yeah, so any doubts?
I just wanted to ask about the photograph. Be it of the original quality from the photo studio, or it can be the scanned copy of the photo that they give.
It should be of the original quality. Like it's not necessary for you to go in the photo studio and click the photo. You can click photo in your phone also, but it should be of good quality. Like it should be visible there in the resume. If we zoom out or zoom in, or if we change the like attributes of the photo, the quality should not degrade. Just keep that thing in mind.
Okay, so for boys it's white shirt, blue tie, and white background.
Gray background.
Gray background. Okay.
Yeah, and the background color, like the gray color for the background, exact color has also been provided in the guidelines. So check that. You can edit your background. Like if you want, do one thing, click your photo in white shirt with any background, and there are few websites which where you can edit the background in free. So you can go to that website, put the exact color you want, and it will change the background color. I'll provide that websites too on the group.
Okay, all right. Thank you.
Yeah. Any other doubts?
No.
So I hope like everything is clear. Till when you can complete your resumes and submit it to me?
Monday.
I can give till Monday.
Yes. On Monday.
Uh,
On Monday.
okay. So you have to provide proofs and supporting documents too for every everything you're putting in internships and work experience and the certifications, co-curriculum, extracurriculum, everything you have to provide supporting documents too. So start collecting the documents and start editing your resumes. If you have any problem, you can contact me. And if Monday on 9th, right? So try to like submit your resumes and all the supporting documents till 12 p.m. on Monday. And if there is any changes further, we can continue and like final everything till 10th of October. Okay? Will it work for everybody?
Yes.
Yeah. One question.
Yeah.
So there is a last thing, others, and there is language, technical skills, soft skills. We can write anything.
Ye-
No, we don't have to give proof for that.
No, for that you don't have to provide any proof. You can write anything. But make sure that you're writing things that you know about. Because if you write something, for example, if I write that I know German in my resume, and if during the interview process the HR asks me something about that, and if I fail to answer the question, I lose the job, right? And also, it won't like give a good impression there, and your college gets to know what you are doing and what you're writing in resumes, like the HRs and the companies give feedback to the college, so it will like put you in trouble later on. So you can write anything there without proof, but make sure that you know about it.
And there is a position of responsibility. Can we write ourselves? We have worked for 2 months like that.
No, you cannot write the positions of responsibility of our college. If you have to write, there's a process about it, like you will have to give interview to the senior cell once again, and if they approve, then only you can write. So if you want to write about the placement cell or any other cell, let me know. I'll contact or talk to the seniors and let you know what's the exact process. Other than that, you can write about the positions of responsibilities that you have held in previous years, like in your graduation college or in school or anything else, like other than college also. Any other clubs or committees that you have joined or headed. Just make sure that you have correct proofs for them.
Okay.
Yes. So any other doubts, anybody? So I think everything is understood. So we can end the meet, right? Okay. So if you have any other doubts, do let me know. Like you can call me or contact through WhatsApp and start editing your resumes and start collecting the proofs. Okay, thank you.